Can you copy this sound? Listen carefully.
Quack, quack!
Who made that sound?
Who's a Texan?
What made the crunchy sound? A. Balloon, B. Popcorn, C. Fish. Roar! Which one made the big roar?